So we were looking at sending a lot of our educators out to do PDs, which were incredible and inspiring, and we'd all come back with these fantastic and wonderful ideas. And then we would try and bring that to the rest of our team, and it was virtually impossible. We didn't have all the resources or the charisma, I suppose, of the speaker as well. So it was really challenging to really immerse that into our daily practices and to continue with that enthusiasm when everybody else was not experiencing that same enthusiasm. We've been really fortunate to have the privilege of having Andrea and First Door team teach us. What was amazing about this online course is that we have an educator from every studio attending. They are all getting some really rich and incredible inspiration, and they're sending that back to their team, and then we are revisiting that in staff meetings. And I had never really experienced that, and I was really looking for something to inspire our whole team rather than just a couple of the members of the team. And this really worked to change all of us working and evolving and learning and growing together as a team. So we are really learning so much and getting a lot out of it. And we're revisiting that through our staff meetings monthly and going back and doing some beautiful reflections together as a team. And it's been an inspiring journey for us. We really want all of the educators to have that understanding that we have a shared vision, we have a shared goal to make our practices and procedures and everything that we do meaningful. And I really feel that having found this team e-learning package has allowed us to have this throughout the centre. And I highly recommend the team e-learning package for anyone looking to enhance the pedagogical practices throughout their centre. It's a wonderful tool that we've been really feel blessed that we are able to have this, and yeah, I highly recommend it to anybody.